mega love shout out. Ayan na, this your Panyero. Chef 24. Meron tayong bagong tutorial para kumita at dagdag kita sa ating mga channel. Kaya, manood lang. It's Surveytime. Ayan na! This is your Chef 24 Panyero! Mega blessed day sa inyo lahat, mga masugid kong manonood all over the world. Meron po akong tutur sa inyo at sigurado magugustuhan nyo, at ito ay kikita tayo ng $1 for instant rewarded sa pagsasurvey. Kailangan lang natin kumpletuhin ang survey at hindi natin kailangan bilisan. Ayusin lang natin ang tamang, parang sa mga YouTuber dyan, tamang pagpakas. Siguradong kikita ka ng malaki. At syempre, kailangan din ng sipag at tiyaga, gaya ng mga multis channel dyan. Napakasipag nyo. Kaya saludo ko sa inyo, mga Panyero at Panyera all over the world. Okay, simulan na natin. It's time to survey time. It's survey time! Kailangan na natin pong mag-sign up gamit ang inyong Facebook, Google, Twitter, or siyempre ang ating email address na legit para mabilis ang ating paggawa ng account. I-click lang ang ating start now. Ayan na. Ngayon, pwede na ba tayo? Before we start, please answer a few questions so we can match you with the most relevant saver for you. The questionnaire will take approximately 8 minutes to complete. Please note that our surveys are anonymous. Sige. Start now. Ayan na. Siyempre, Arabic to. Parang mahirap tong ano yun. Ano naman to? Day 2. October. Siyempre, yun ang date ngayon. Ito na. 2020. Hindi pala date ngayon yan. Ito pala yung day. Diba? Kaya nga nag-survey tayo. Ayan na. Yan lang po. Matanda ng inyong Panyero. Next time natin. Survey time. It's this. Next. Lalaki. English naman to. Bakit? Arabic ang ano. Next. Oh no! Ayun, may boy and girl. Ito kapap to, ha? Okay, di tayo. Siyempre, boy. Okay, before we continue. Wow. Ang ganda. Parang nasan lang. We want to help you complete as many surveys as possible. Increase your earning. To do that, we need your help. It's important that you take your time, read through this question, and answer them truthfully, as they can change what surveys our system will offer you. If you will be honest and informative, Tommy will offer you better survey that have a higher chance of being completed successfully. This questionnaire is only taken once and your answer cannot be edited once you submit them, so please keep that in mind. Checkin nyo lang yung I understand, syempre. Ayan na, continue lang. Ito na. Simulan na tayo. How would you like to be rewarded? Siyempre, gamit ang aking PayPal. Next na natin yan. Ayun. Add the answer. What's this? Oh! Pick one answer kung kano yung ating ano. Dito lang tayo sa mega. Oh no! Hindi naman tayo kailangan. Isa lang. Yan. Yung mababa na. Yan. Oh. Okay. Add answer again. Pick one answer. Kasi Arabic eh. Paano to? Mahirap. Mahirap. Wala bang English? English naman. Kahit Espanyol lang. Mahirap yun. English. Oh, Arabic naman kasi to. Ano ba to? Hindi ko maintindihan eh. Mahirap to ah. It's survey time. Yan. Sa mga baguhan naman ay nangyayari talaga pagka nagkakamali sa pagsagot ng survey. Ito po yung nangyayari. Unfortunately, you were unable to complete the survey. Take another survey. This happened for various reasons, all related to the importance of getting accurate survey results. Your answers are used by major companies across the globe to make critical decisions about their future product and service. These companies drive the market research industry and allow us to build and to improve this platform for you. We're sorry for the inconvenience. This may have cost you and encourage you to try another survey. The more surveys you take, the easier it is to find you the right ones. Kailangan yung mga pagsagot natin ay tama. Okay? Kaya ito si Panyero na nagpapalala. It's survey time! Mega love shout out! Ayan na! This your Panyero! Chef 24! Ayan na. Meron po tayong bagong tutorial para kumita at dagdag kita sa ating mga channel. Kaya, manood lang. It's Surveytime! Mega love shout out sa mga Panyero ko all over the world. Para to sa mga inyo. It's Surveytime! Meron po tayong bagong natuklasan na pagkakitaan. Kaya manood lang po sa aking tutorial. It's Surveytime! Mga Panyero, tutorial. Don't be missed.